Hello everyone. Welcome back to Inside Edge Labs. Here we discuss data analytics, machine learning, SQL, Python, Power BI and Excel in simple and practical way. As we have started our new series to learn Microsoft Power BI from basic till the advanced part of it. So in this series, you are not going to learn only Microsoft Power BI, but this series will help you to crack your PL300 certification as well. So in this video, we are going to see what exactly Power Query is. So Power Query is nothing but it is a data transformation and data preparation tool which enables automated data processing across the Microsoft platforms. It can be integrated with the Microsoft Excel as well as with the Microsoft Power BI. What are the core functions of the Microsoft Power Query? So here we can connect the data, we can clean the data, we can transform the data, and after transformation of that particular data, we can load that data to the destination so that we can use the data for the reporting and visualization purpose. Now, what are the primary benefit of the Power Query? Here it will help you to eliminate tedious manual data manipulation work. It will help you to save your time, and also it will help you to reduce manual error or human error. Now, who will be the target audience for the Power Query? If you are working as a data analyst, if you are working as a business analyst, or if you are working as a finance professional or finance people, then also you can use that. Even though if you are working in some administrative tasks or administrative work, then also for data cleaning and data pre-processing, you can use the Power Query. Now, what are the key takeaways of the Power Query to understand what exactly it is? So, Power Query is nothing but it is a single unified tool which streamline your data cleaning or data pre-processing process faster. Now we'll try to understand what exactly transformation is. So process of transformation is nothing but it is a systematic process of cleaning, structuring and processing activities to convert messy or unstructured data into the meaningful information, so that whatever the meaningful information you have after cleaning, that meaningful information or that meaningful data we can use for the reporting and visualization purpose. Now we'll try to understand workflow of the Power Query. First of all, we connect the data which is coming from multiple sources. So source may be Excel file, source may be CSV file, source may be from some database, source may be from some cloud platforms. Then we apply some transformation operation on that particular data to convert that data from data to the information. Then we load that data to the destination, and then on the basis of that particular information, we create reporting and visual, and then we apply some automated process refresh. Now we'll try to understand what are the key features of the Power Query. The key features, if you talk about data cleaning, so here we can remove the duplicate value, we can replace the value, we can fill the unnecessary or null value effortlessly. If you talk about data transformation features, here we can pivot the tables, we can unpivot the table. Here the data coming from multiple sources or multiple tables, we can merge that, we can append that, and even though we can go and we can perform some grouping operation over the data. If you talk about automation functionality, so we can apply some automation in the Power Query. Also, if you talk about error handling, so we can handle the error along with the data in the Power Query, and also we can optimize the data performance as well. There are some common mistakes that people do while working with the Power Query. First of all, they skip the transformation, they ignore the apply step, and they do some wrong setting while loading the data. Now, in this series of the Power Query, we'll try to overcome all these possible mistakes, and we'll try to see each and everything practically so that you will get the hands-on exposure of the same. So stay tuned to this series. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video.